Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering down and unplugging the monitor, then wait 5 to 10 minutes so internal components settle. Once off, remove all cables and lay the screen face down on a soft cloth. This stabilizes it and prevents stress. Use compressed air to blow out vents and the stand connection, because loose dust is the main culprit. Next, mix distilled water with 10-30% isopropyl if needed for greasy spots. Make sure to use a microfiber cloth and avoid sprays directly on the panel. You'll now clean the display surface and then optimize settings. Wipe using straight, light strokes from one edge to the other. Heavy pressure can damage pixels. For bezels and ports, use cotton swabs and compressed air. Replace any foam or filters that are degraded. Once clean, power on and adjust brightness and contrast to comfortable levels, then tweak sharpness and color temperature. If colors are off, reset to factory profile or fine-tune with the monitor's OSD. This improves perceived clarity and longevity. Finish by ensuring the signal chain is solid. Update your GPU drivers and swap to DisplayPort or HDMI instead of older VGA to reduce noise and blurring. Test native resolution and try higher refresh rates if supported. Small changes often sharpen text. If you spot stuck pixels, run a pixel fix sequence or gentle cycling for a few hours. And if you still see backlight bleeding, severe color shifts, or hardware faults, stop DIY work. Seek a professional repair or panel replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.